TikTok isn't just a platform for teenagers and viral videos anymore. It's become one of the best ways to sell products and make money online. The best part is that TikTok's algorithm isn't locked in yet. It's still growing, which means there's a massive window of opportunity right now. If you're someone who feels self-conscious about being on camera or simply prefers to keep a low profile, you don't have to let that stop you from cashing in. I'll walk you through 3 powerful strategies to earn money on TikTok without showing your face. By the end of this, you'll know how to set everything up, how to make it work for you, and how to scale it into something meaningful. TikTok Strategy 1. TikTok Shop is a game changer. If you've used TikTok recently, you've probably noticed those little shopping bag icons in the corner of videos or even product recommendations while scrolling. That's TikTok Shop in action. It's a feature that allows users to buy products directly within the TikTok app, without being redirected to another site. The beauty of this is that it reduces the friction between seeing a product, wanting it, and buying it. Everything happens within the app, so it's incredibly easy for customers to check out, which translates into higher sales for you. Here's why TikTok Shop is such an incredible opportunity. It's still relatively new. Unlike other e-commerce platforms like Amazon or Etsy, where competition is fierce, TikTok Shop is just starting to pick up steam. That means the playing field is still fairly level. Early adopters always have an advantage, and the organic reach is much better than on older platforms. Even better, TikTok users are already primed for discovery. They're in the habit of scrolling, finding new things, and acting on impulse. It's the perfect setup for selling products. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't have a product to sell and I don't want to deal with inventory. That's where print on demand comes in. Print on demand is one of the easiest ways to start selling online because you don't need to hold stock or worry about shipping. Services like Printify integrate directly with TikTok Shop and handle all the hard work for you. Here's how it works. You create a design, maybe a catchy phrase, an artistic graphic, or something trendy, and upload it to Printify. Printify offers hundreds of products to choose from, like t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and phone cases. When someone places an order through your TikTok Shop, Printify prints your design on the product, packages it, and ships it directly to the customer. You don't pay anything up front. You only pay for the cost of production after you've made a sale. This means no risk, no upfront inventory costs, and no logistical headaches. To get started, you'll need to sign up for TikTok Shop and connect it with Printify. Once that's set up, think about what kind of products might resonate with TikTok's audience. Trends move fast on this platform, so it's worth keeping an eye on what's currently viral. Whether it's a funny slogan or a pop culture reference, the goal is to create products that feel relevant and appealing. From there, you can list your items on TikTok Shop, and they'll be discoverable to millions of users. Even if you don't make videos yourself, people can find your products through TikTok's search feature or through content created by others. TikTok Strategy 2. If TikTok Shop doesn't excite you, or if you're looking for a different angle, affiliate marketing on TikTok is another brilliant way to earn money without ever stepping in front of a camera. Affiliate marketing is essentially promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale. It's a great option because you don't need to create your own products, deal with inventory, or handle shipping. You're simply promoting existing products that are already selling well. The key to successful affiliate marketing is choosing the right products. TikTok's audience is all about impulse buys, so you want to focus on items that are priced under $50. Why? Because anything higher than that requires more thought and research, and you want to keep things simple. TikTok users are scrolling quickly, and if something catches their eye at a reasonable price, they're much more likely to hit buy. TikTok's affiliate dashboard makes it easy to find products that are already trending and generating sales. Many of these brands will even send you a sample of the product for free, or you can purchase one yourself to use in your content. Now, let's talk about content creation. The idea of filming videos might feel like a roadblock, but it doesn't have to be. You don't need to show your face to make viral TikTok videos. In fact, some of the best performing TikTok affiliate marketers create simple product demo videos where the focus is entirely on the product. For example, if you're promoting a kitchen gadget, you can show how it works and highlight its features without ever being on camera. And thanks to AI tools like Arcads, you can create videos without even being behind the camera yourself. Arcads allows you to generate realistic videos using AI-generated avatars. These avatars look and sound like real people, and they can present your products in a way that feels authentic. Arcads even has a cloning feature that allows you to create multiple videos in different styles quickly. So even if you're camera shy or just don't have the time to film, you can still produce engaging content that drives sales. TikTok Strategy 3. This strategy is about becoming a growth partner. This is an incredible opportunity for anyone who enjoys creating content but doesn't want to run their own shop or manage affiliate campaigns. Here's the thing, a lot of TikTok shops and affiliate marketers are missing out because they don't have good video content. TikTok is a visual platform, and without videos, it's almost impossible to stand out or make sales. That's where you come in. As a growth partner, you can offer your services to create videos for TikTok shops or affiliates. Your role is to help them showcase their products in a way that grabs attention and drives sales. This could involve creating product demos, trend-based videos, or even repurposing existing footage into TikTok-friendly content. Again, you don't need to show your face, and you don't even need to film. AI tools can handle most of the production work, so you can deliver professional-looking videos at scale. When it comes to pricing your services, you have two main options. You can charge a flat rate, like $50 per video, which will give you a clear and predictable income stream. Or you can set up a commission-based model where you take a percentage of the revenue your videos generate for the client. For example, if your video helps a shop sell $1,000 worth of products, you could take 10% of that as your fee. Both models have their advantages, so it really depends on what works best for you and your clients. To get started as a growth partner, look for shops or affiliates on TikTok that have great products but poor or non-existent video content. Reach out to them via TikTok or email with a clear value proposition. You'll create videos that help them increase sales. Offer to make one free video as a trial, showing them what you can do. So, to wrap it all up, there are 3 brilliant ways to make money on TikTok without showing your face. You can set up a TikTok shop and use print-on-demand services like Printify to sell products without any upfront costs. You can dive into affiliate marketing, promoting trending products and using AI tools like Arcads to create engaging content effortlessly. Or you can become a growth partner, offering video creation services to TikTok shops and affiliates who need help showcasing their products. All of these strategies are low risk, scalable, and perfect for anyone who wants to keep their privacy intact while building a profitable TikTok business. Which of these strategies have you tried before, or are you thinking of trying? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe,